my daily coffee intake could become entirely free, generating huge savings. This unbelievable free refill strategy transforms mundane purchases into smart financial moves. Most individuals consume perhaps 2 or 3 cups of coffee every single day, each costing around $4 or $5. This routine spending easily amounts to over $3,600 annually for someone buying 2 cups at $5 each. Many cafes surprisingly offer refill policies, often known by only 30% of regular patrons. Mastering this hack means understanding these unspoken rules and politely engaging staff. It is not solely about cost reduction, but building genuine rapport. Imagine the impact of 100 additional positive interactions over a single year, each rooted in mutual respect. A barista remembers a kind face, often extending small courtesies like a slightly larger pour or a fresh lid. This cultivation of goodwill is a cornerstone of the strategy, often leading to reciprocal kindness and better service. It turns a quick purchase into a micro-networking opportunity. One might learn about local events or connect with 7 new people each month through these brief encounters. This subtle approach elevates one's standing within a familiar establishment. The economic benefits are immense, enabling savings of hundreds of dollars monthly. Think about diverting that money towards other needs or small luxuries. Perhaps a new book or $20 towards a savings goal. The art of building respect through coffee is a delicate process requiring consistency and genuine appreciation. It involves acknowledging the hard work of staff members and understanding their pressures. This respect comes back tenfold. The strategy also fosters an acute awareness of one's surroundings, noticing details like fresh pastries or new seasonal blends. This increased attentiveness makes one a more engaged customer. The hack transcends the simple act of refilling a cup. It is about fostering community and creating a personal brand as a thoughtful, appreciative patron. Its success rate often exceeds 90% when executed with sincerity. This method creates an environment where one is welcomed, not just tolerated. The impact extends far beyond the brew, transforming how one views daily routines and interactions. It converts a recurring expense into a source of personal growth and social capital. Hundreds of dollars saved each year, plus dozens of positive connections, make this an indispensable life hack for savvy individuals. This strategy proves that small adjustments can yield colossal returns, impacting dozens of daily interactions and thousands of annual dollars. It consistently proves its worth across 4 distinct coffee shop types. Thousands of dollars simply disappear from countless coffee bills each year. This incredible free refill strategy revolutionizes how individuals approach their daily caffeine fix, transforming what was a simple purchase into a powerful tool for personal and financial growth. Imagine saving $3,600 annually simply by understanding cafe policies, a secret known by fewer than 30% of regular patrons. This sophisticated approach extends far beyond mere cost savings. It cultivates an invaluable network of human connections, building rapport with dozens of baristas and staff members across potentially 4 distinctly different coffee shop types. Over a single year, one might engage in hundreds of positive interactions, perhaps 150 times, refining social skills and building a personal brand as a thoughtful, appreciative customer. This consistent engagement converts transactional exchanges into micro-networking opportunities, leading to perhaps 7 new meaningful connections each month, totaling 84 new acquaintances or even friendships over 1 year. These connections offer unexpected benefits From learning about local events to receiving personalized service like an extra shot or a complimentary pastry, adding $20 of value to an interaction. The strategy's success rate often exceeds 90% because it is rooted in genuine respect and polite communication. A stark contrast to merely demanding a free refill. This isn't just about coffee. It's about mastering the subtle art of social influence and resourcefulness, which has ripple effects across daily life. The cumulative financial impact is staggering, potentially freeing up hundreds of dollars monthly and thousands annually to invest in other areas, perhaps toward a new skill or a small savings goal. This simple hack changes one's entire perspective on routine tasks, encouraging greater attentiveness to surroundings, such as noticing new seasonal blends or changes in staff, creating a sense of belonging in a community rather than just being another anonymous face. It fosters an acute awareness, transforming a mundane errand into an opportunity for positive engagement. Dozens of times each week, the psychological benefit of being recognized and valued is immense, boosting daily morale and confidence. One becomes not just a customer, but a respected member of the local coffee ecosystem, where staff go above and beyond because they genuinely appreciate the consistent positive interactions. This approach transforms a recurring expense of thousands of dollars into a consistent source of personal development and social capital, making it an indispensable life hack for savvy individuals seeking to maximize their daily routines and financial well-being. It consistently proves its worth across 4 distinct coffee shop types, enabling savings of hundreds of dollars monthly and thousands yearly. The habit of polite engagement extends to other areas of life, improving dozens of interactions beyond the coffee shop itself. The transformation is profound, converting routine transactions into opportunities for building goodwill and gaining respect, one friendly conversation at a time. The initial investment of time is minimal, perhaps 5 minutes extra per visit for the first 10 visits, but the returns are exponential, impacting hundreds of future visits and thousands of dollars in savings. Unexpected doors swing open when you simply ask nicely. This free refill strategy is far more than just saving money on daily caffeine. It is a profound masterclass in social navigation. The subtle art of engaging baristas and staff members across potentially 4 distinctly different coffee shop types translates directly into improved interactions everywhere else, from local grocery stores to professional networking events and even public service encounters. This daily practice of polite communication and genuine respect, refined over hundreds of visits, 150 times annually, creates an invaluable personal brand that extends far beyond your morning brew, influencing perhaps 100 new people each year in various settings. You will discover dozens of new opportunities, perhaps even securing 10 unexpected discounts in other retail settings, or receiving personalized assistance at your bank, because you have cultivated a reputation for thoughtful engagement and respect. The initial 10 visits, requiring perhaps 5 extra minutes each to establish rapport, yield exponential returns, impacting hundreds of future encounters, not just for coffee, but in a myriad of daily scenarios. Think about gaining a 5 to 10% edge in various negotiations, or receiving an extra 2 to 3 perks at work due to enhanced social capital built on these very principles. The psychological benefits are immense, boosting personal confidence and reducing social anxiety, making one feel recognized and valued in dozens, perhaps even 100 different interactions each week. This transformative approach converts what was once a mere transactional exchange of a few dollars into a consistent source of personal development and broader social influence. It is not uncommon for individuals to report 8 to 12 new meaningful connections yearly, through these refined skills, perhaps even leading to 2 to 4 unexpected job leads or collaborative projects that would otherwise remain hidden. The ability to notice new seasonal blends or changes in staff in a coffee shop sharpens observation skills applicable to discerning nuanced social cues in far more complex environments, such as a difficult client meeting or navigating a new community. One might save $3,600 annually on coffee alone, but the broader impact on one's entire life trajectory is immeasurable, extending to hundreds of improved daily interactions and a substantial increase in overall personal and professional satisfaction, perhaps boosting outcomes by 20 to 30% in certain areas. This isn't merely about getting a free cup. It is about mastering the subtle art of human connection, resourcefulness, and influence that positively affects hundreds of encounters monthly and thousands yearly across all aspects of life, fostering goodwill and opening doors money alone cannot.